Hey guys, so today Taylor will learn how to ride a bike. This could be the most challenging thing she's ever done, as we've had some mishaps. But with a little coordination, balance, and focus, she was really able to grasp the concept of riding. So let me show you how we got here. So first we decided to practice on the blacktop. This way it's much safer, I can control her movements, and catch her when she falls. It took her a minute to master the balance and coordination part of it, but once she did, she was ready to go. So we slowly made our way over to the track, and then I let her go. And then she hit the gate. The second time was a little bit better, but the bushes got in her way. Still, we couldn't give up.
You're doing it! Good job! Stop!
And every time she fell off, she got back on.
Keep going. Almost.
Mama!
Hold your head up.
I did it!
Taylor!
Mommy, I can't!
She was determined. And there she goes. With the wind at her back and the sun on her face, Taylor Blue learned to ride a bike in just one day.
Like 100 seconds.
I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, Mom.